When placing components into an assembly, the mating component is already in place and is ready for the new components to be mated to it. This tech tip will show you how to enable snap mode and locate components correctly and easily while still in the insert dialog box. For components that you design, you need to create a mate connector at the location where you want to align the components in the assembly. Make sure that the mate connector belongs to the component as the owner part. Multiple mate connectors can be created within the component and then used when inserting that component. Once you're in the assembly, you want to either select Snap Mode on the toolbar or use Shift-S to turn on Snap Mode before you choose the Insert dialog box. While in the Insert dialog, you can then hover over the mating part to activate the mate connector in the existing parts, and then use either the A or Q keys to align or realign the component, or use the Control key to change between available mate connectors. For standard content, these mate connectors are already defined for you in the components as you place them. Hover over the corresponding face to place the component, click, and move on to the next placement. This tech tip helped you learn how to use Snap Mode in an Onshape assembly. For more information, go to our Tech Tips page for other helpful videos.